Hello and welcome to this very short video on using your smartphone to find your shop link. You'll see from the screen here that I've done a screen share using my mobile phone. So we're going to start by opening an internet browser. Mine is Google Chrome and it opens on my MadeMe shop, as you can see there. And we're going to select the three bars to the right, left, and select log in or register. Once you log in, you'll see your dashboard. We're going to click View Store to load your shop store. And you see at the top right hand side there's three dots. Click that, click Share, select Copy, and it will automatically copy the link to your clipboard. Open Facebook or any other social media that you're using. Going to do a status. I push and hold in the status box until we get this come up. I select clipboard, select the link that we've just copied, and we're just going to write a quick little status to go with the link. This is a really quick way to get a status and to share your shop out there. You could do this on Twitter, the same principle. Do it in Twitter, do it in Instagram, do it on Pages Manager if you're using the Pages Manager app. It's the same principle. To get that clipboard up, you just long press hold in the text box and it'll come up with paste or clipboard and some other options as well. When I've done that, I'll hit the button at the top that says Post. And there we go. We've shared our shop link on our mobile phone. If you've been enjoying this series of videos and you'd like to see more, click the subscribe button and the bell so that you can receive notifications of new videos. You can also follow us on Patreon at Unravel and Unwind, and all the links will be in the description.